Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021 Trampoline Gymnastics. Trampolining or trampoline gymnastics is a recreational activity, acrobatic training tools as well as a competitive Olympic sport in which athletes perform acrobatic while bouncing on a trampoline. Trampoline is one of the three disciplines in the gymnastics. The others are artistic gymnastics and rhythmic gymnastics, with athletes springing to height of up to 8 meters. Trampoline is among the game's most thrilling spectacles. Overview. Trampoline gymnasts perform a series of short routines containing a variety of twists, bounces, and somersaults. Precise technique and perfect body control are vital for success, with judges delivering marks for difficulty, execution, flight time, and horizontal displacement. In 1934, an American gymnast named George Nissen was inspired by watching circus acrobats fall onto flexible safety nets and use the rebound to perform acrobatic skills. He constructed the first prototype trampoline from canvas and rubber used for inner tubes. Nissen named his device after trampoline, the Spanish word for springboard. The trampoline itself consists of a rectangular bed made from a woven synthetic fabric and measuring 4.28 meter into 2.14 meter. The bed is attached to a frame with steel springs so that its recoil action propels performers high into the air. Event program. Individual competition, men and women. Essence of the sport. In Olympic trampoline, athletes perform two routines, one compulsory and one voluntary. In a qualification round, each routine consists of 10 skills. In the compulsory routine, athletes perform 8 skills that are judged only on execution and 2 skills chosen by the gymnast that are evaluated on both execution and difficulty. Since Rio 2016, the code of points has been changed and the horizontal displacement score has been introduced. In the voluntary routine, all 10 skills are judged on both execution and difficulty. A third component of the total score is time of flight, which is a measure of actual time spent in the air. This is added to the difficulty and execution scores for both routines. The 8 highest scoring competitors advance to the final. Scores from the qualifying rounds do not carry over to the final, which consists of only a voluntary routine marked on difficulty, execution, and time of flights. Although the athletes win the lowest scores in qualifying perform first, they still have every chance of achieving victory. Outlook for the Tokyo 2021 Games. The first two Olympic champions were the Russian athletes Moskalenko and Irani Yaremeva, who won the men's and women's gold medals respectively at Sydney 2000. The People's Republic of China and Canada have proved to be the most dominant nations in the 5 editions of the Games in which trampoline has featured. The People's Republic of China have won 10 of the 18 medals available at the past 3 Olympic Games. China's Dong Dong won the bronze medal in men's trampoline at Beijing 2008 before going on to take gold at London 2012 and silver in the Rio 2016 competition. The last of these being won by Vladislav Hancharov from Belarus. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.